Call campaign. Call campaign is same like PPC ads. It mostly used in cleaning companies, real estate, and emergency situations, and car repair. That kind of companies use call campaign. Call campaign, how it's work. I will show you how it will work. So I need to type a cleaning service for my home. So I just type in cleaning service. So there is the first ad will come up, the phone number. So there we can directly call the client. So like that we can promote. For example, another one is car repair. I just type car repair, then see this is the first one is a website traffic. So someone go to the website. So and then next one is the call. So they directly click and they call the company. So we get a business. So how to start the call campaign? So first of all, open your Google AdWords account. Then once we open a Google AdWords account, on the top on the plus button there is a, just click that one, then go to the page. Here there is an option called sales, leads, website traffic and everything. This is a conversion. This one I will show you next class, but without this one you can set up. So once we're done, we need to choose which category we want search. Then once we search, then choose call phone calls. There is an option to add our phone number. Any number you can add to promote our campaign. So they directly call that number and they book and we get a lead. So always try to do this kind of campaign for small company, even small business. So here we need to choose, and I choose the UAE country. Then that's it. Then the campaign bid. So what's our budget for this campaign? I just put 30 dirham for this campaign, and below the bidding of the keyword, I put the maximum click because I want to get more traffic, and I can put a bid rate also. How much bid for? I know the value of a bid, so I put only 5. If you want particularly the keyword value, you can check out through Key Planner. It's a tool called check every keyword what is a price for the keyword. So once we're done, we can go display ad, don't push, and go to the location, which location you're going to target. So I choose radius. On the radius we can choose particular area, on specific area like business pay, or I just going to choose 2 locations. So I just target only 2 kilometers, 2 to 3 kilometers. So I just, and if you know the name, just type the name and search it, and they put the radius of 2 kilometers, so 3 kilometers. So it will only, our ad will show that particular place. It will not show any other place. So I just put 3, then I put other place, Al Barsha. Then I need to choose to 2, reducing the radius. I just reduce to 2. Okay, then save it. Then it will show the particular place our ad will showing. Here we going to promote our ads. So once we're done, we need to choose the language, which language we're going to target, English or all language. I choose all language. Then we go into next step. Here we need to find out what are the keywords we need to focus on. Just put a keyword and get the idea. It will show all the keyword, what are the keywords we're focusing on. So automatically generate. Once we've done this part, then go down, then you'll see ads. You need to set up the ads text. So here I already put the text, and the right side you can see how the ad is look like. So someone in the mobile, they type, it will see the number and the text. And one more thing, call campaign is mostly work in the mobile, because mostly people's using mobile, so they directly click, they will type, like example the first one I show you, cleaning service. So they type the keyword, then the PPC will work as a phone call. It will show the phone number and text about the company, and below also it show we visit website. So we targeting with 2 kinds. Then once we done this, just save it, but try to always add title and description, everything related to keywords. So already running the campaign, and I get last 1 week around 12 calls. Even I spend less amount, I get a good 12 customer. So my business is good now. My client also happy. So this is a campaign, it's done. And next video I will show you the remarketing. So subscribe.